finishing up our conversion for our XL57 kit where we put a floor in the tubs and change things around. And today we're fitting the tires so we can get a set of wheels ordered for it. And if you take a look at what we're going to start running is what we've came up with as far as tire size is in the front. You're going to have a 275, 35, 19 in the front. Everything clears. We've taken front and rear, total droop, ride height, and then completely compressed. Made sure that they're, you know, the tire will go back and forth in case somebody does something different with their suspension. There's plenty of movement in it. And if we go to the back, we put a 275, 35, 20 in the rear, and that'll be on a 10-inch wheel. And that also, we've made sure everything is going to go full compression, ride height's good. And the nice thing about the way all this set up, you've got a 10-inch wide tire, but you can still fold your convertible top down. And you know, that's always been one of the problems with the C1s. When you start going with a wide tire, you can't have a convertible top, the reg top. So now with our kit, you'll be able to have that. And as far as all that goes, you know, you always got to take your time and fit tires back and forth, you know, and these verifiers work awesome for what we need. And I'm sure Andrew will put a link down at the bottom, ting, and that way you can go out and take a look at, you know, what's available through those guys. But they're very nice because when you set the car up, you can get the right size tire, you can make sure it's good and tight, and it fits perfect for whatever you're building. And they've worked awesome for this project. That's a 275, 35, 19 in the front, and you can see that you can really see the difference from the 20 to the 19. You know, everything's taller, so the car has a nice stance and a nice rake to it when it's all set up. And that's another thing too we did was, before we started all this, we blocked the frame and got the vehicle where we wanted as far as rake goes. And then we blocked the frame so everything's the same and got everything all set up and squared up. And then we did our tires to make sure we were happy with the stance of the car.